Hello, in this video, we are going to be learning about color models or color palettes, majorly about RGB and CMYK. Here is our color palette at the right hand side. So what is a color palette? A color palette is a set of colors in a group meant to be used for a certain kind of output. They are used to apply fill and outline colors to text and objects. So your fill color here is the color inside, is your inside color, while the outline color is the outside color. The two major primary color groups or models we are going to be talking about are CMYK and RGB. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and they are majorly used for digital printing purposes. While the second one is RGB color model, which stands for red, green, and blue, and they are majorly used for web designs, for user interface designs of apps or computer software. Those colors you see there, they are RGB colors. They are used for screen graphics. All these social media designs are RGB colors, and it can also be used for digital printing purposes. So each color group has specific name or values. This red color all looks the same, but there are two different color models. You can see this first color is CMYK with its color mode, its color code. Then the second one is RGB with its color code. They look similar but have different color code and are from different color models. Now we have to find your color palette. Assuming when you open your CorelDRAW, you do not see your color palette, how can you bring back your color palette? You come to your Windows menu, Dockers, palettes, look for palette. Okay, here is palette, but let me delete this palette first and bring it back. To remove the palette, left click, you see this arrow here, this cross arrow, left click and drag out. Okay, here is it. Here is the RGB palette. So let me close it. So assuming we find our CorelDRAW like this in this format, how can we bring back the palette? We go to the Windows menu, so I said earlier, Dockers, then palette. Wow, so we have palette Docker like this. Then this is the RGB. This is the RGB color palette, which is this. If we want to bring out another color palette called CMYK, we can find our CMYK here, CMYK color palette. Aha. So we now have two color palettes here. Sometimes some designers work with the two color palettes, some work with only RGB, some work with RGB and CMYK. So we also have our document palette. The document palette is found at the top of the status bar, which is this. Document palette contains colors used in your current document. Every time you use a color in your document, it's automatically added to the document palette. For example, all the colors I have here are added here in the document palette. So if you want to remove the document palette, you can still come to your Docker here, then you unactivate it, it's gone. Then if you activate it back, to come back. So that's how to remove and add your document palette. So to move your palette back, just left click and drag it back to its normal position. Okay, this is normal position. Now that we have learned how to add, now that we understand the color palette, let's learn the basics of applying colors. Let's learn the basics of applying colors to our palette. Okay, now I have this star here with no color. You have to select an object and click a color swatch in the color palette for it to apply color to it. A color swatch is a box of color. Like this is a color swatch, this is a color swatch, is a box of color. For me to apply a fill color, remember you left click to apply a fill color, while you right click to apply an outline color. For you to apply a fill color, okay, and left click to apply a right fill color, then right click on your keyboard on your mouse to apply an outline color. Now, how can I copy a fill to another object, from one object to another object? Let me say I have a circle. For you to draw a perfect circle, you need to hold your control key to draw a perfect cycle. Then after drawing, you click your pick tool to drop the tool. So how can I copy this red color to this box? You right click on your red star, right click and drag to the circle. Then once you leave your mouse, you have a pop-up. Then here you can say copy fill color. I've copied the fill color. The same thing applicable to outline color. You right click and drag, then you see copy outline here. Very same thing. Now for you to have more option on your fill and outline, you come below here, your status bar here. This is your red swatch and this is your yellow swatch. To have more color of your fill, you double click on it. You click twice. These are more options for further editing of your color. While for the outline swatch, you double click. These are other options for the further editing of your colors. You can decide to increase the width of the outline here from 4 to 10. Okay, now it's larger than how it is before. So here is for just further option. As we go along the course, you will learn more how to use these tools here. So if you are repeating the same color, okay, if you are repeating the same color to different objects, use the control keyboard shortcut Ctrl R to repeat the previous fill color. So let me say if I have a green color here, I want to repeat that same green color to other shapes. I just need to click on the object, then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl R. Click on it, Ctrl R. I'm using green and blue. Click on it, Ctrl R. Click on it, Ctrl R. So this is the basics of color palette in CorelDRAW. So I'll advise you to go and learn it and try to be familiar with it. You can try to draw some shapes on your own and apply color to them. Just get used to it. See you in the next one.